If you have a lot of files you want to share with a person or group of people, you can share those files by putting them in a folder and sharing the folder online. Now if you want to know more about this, make sure to keep watching on this video. So first up, you can share folders using Google Drive folders. So you have to do it by navigating to this website. Then drag the folder you want to share to Google Drive by dragging it from the File Explorer. Then click More Options, then select Share. Now you should grant access to whom you want to share the files to. Then, you can also now share it by entering the email address of the person or persons you want to share, or you may also copy the link. Additionally, you can also use OneDrive. To do it, go to this website on the web browser, click on a folder, select Share, manage access to the folder if needed, then share the folder with a specific person or persons. Now you can also copy a link to share with other people. Lastly, you can share files using Dropbox. And in order for you to do it, simply go to this website, upload your file or folder, then hover over or tap the folder you want to share. Then, click Share. Share the folder with a specific person or persons, or you can also create and share a link to the folder. Now that's how easy you can share a folder online with someone else in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.